Today on Short Central, we get help hosting from my good buddy Trolley. Say hi, Trolley. He says hi. No, Trolley, we need you. No, you have to come back. We just started the show. Hello, children, and welcome to Short Central. I am your love Star Trek more than himself, big-haired host, Roman. And today we get rude and sick on Short Central. We talk about a horror movie on Snazzy Short of the Week, and we have some other fun surprises. So let's get right into it, shall we?
Today's short is...
No, I just got a bug in my mouth. Ew. Today's short is Rude Sick Dude. Rude Sick Dude is probably one of the classics of Short Central, and it's a solo-made short, which means I made it completely by myself, and I'm awesomely proud of it. So, let's take a look at this little sweet child of mine. Dude, that's my toothbrush. I know. Dude, you're sick. This one is yours. So? Oh, no, what? Just keep it. Your car keys back. Thanks.
Hey, what the heck? I'm not gonna eat that again.
High five.
Okay. Yeah, he snotted on me.
Alright, really, let's try to scare the seagulls. Hold on, ready? Shh, they're running away. No. Let's see if I can get them. Come on, seagulls. Oh, the seagulls don't like me. Run. Run. Oh. Guess they're not very friendly. They flew off. Watch Short Central. It's a good show. Wasn't that splendifericious? And speaking of splendifericious, here's today's splendifericious fun fact. La, 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 la. Today's fun fact regards Rude Sick Dude's little opening title. If you saw it, it says a TNL digital short. Well, that means because it was a digital short for a show that I made called Thursday Night Live. And as you may know, the font and everything, TNL was based off of SNL, Saturday Night Live, and you could hear the Saturday Night Live theme song in Rude Sick Dude. But Thursday Night Live was a show that I wrote and starred as the weekend update host, and it was really fun. We're doing one this year as well. So I hope you like that little tidbit of information. But here's today's snazzy short of the week. Roll it!
This week on Random Short of the Week, we have a great short film that I love from one of my favorite filmmakers, Ryan Conley, called Tell. Now this is a great horror movie, and I really enjoyed it, and it did give me a bit of a scare. So if you do want to check that out, the link will be right there and in the description down below. See you next week for another episode of Random Short of the Week.
Alright, my little monopods, the end is near. I know it's sad, but that's the end. But hey, you can email me at shortcentral@gmail.com to tell us how much you love us or how much you hate us. And also, don't forget you can email us to suggest stuff in the show, or if you just want us to say something, like maybe... You realize that thing was blue, but I thought it was orange. Alright, I'll see you next week when we make fun of the Lorax, but until then, I'm Roman, and I'll see you shortly. Power Rangers, assemble! See you.